Welcome to AllMax Academy, the official training series designed to help you get the most out of your AllMax software. In this episode of AllMax Academy, we'll be exploring how to sort, group, and filter a grid layout in the Antero application. First, let's start by locating and clicking the Work Management tab at the top of the application. Before we proceed, I would like to clarify that throughout the application, you will notice a lot of the data is displayed in this grid-like layout. Although I am choosing to showcase how to sort, group, and filter here in the Work Management tab, you will be able to use this knowledge anywhere else in the application that uses this grid layout to manage data. The first thing you may notice from this grid is some of the data cannot be read entirely. To change that, you can click on the edge of the column and drag the column out until everything is visible. Alternatively, you can right-click on a column and choose Best Fit, which will automatically set the column length to match the longest string of characters so everything is visible. You may have noticed the Best Fit All Columns option in that drop-down menu. If you click that option instead, it will do the same as the Best Fit option, but for all active columns, ensuring all the data for every column is completely visible. Next, if you would like the column laid out in a different order, you can click on the column itself and drag it to a new position behind or in front of a different column. This allows you to personalize your grid with the information you want to see first. Alternatively, you can drag a column into the header space above the columns, which would allow you to sort by group. For instance, if I drag equipment into the column header, then I will get a list of all the different equipment in alphabetical order, making it easier to find specific work orders with that piece of equipment. This grouping option allows you to group more pieces of data to find exactly what it is you are looking for. For example, let's also drag the task into the column header. Now, when I expand a piece of equipment, I will also see all the tasks assigned to that piece of equipment, making it easy to find the exact work orders you are looking for. To return back to the original view, you can right-click on the header and choose Clear Grouping. Now, you may find yourself wanting to sort by ascending or descending order in a column. You can do this by clicking on the column, which will toggle between ascending or descending order with each click. Alternatively, you can right-click on a column and choose ascending or descending order. You may also find that you would like to sort by a piece of data that may not have a column. In this case, you can right-click a column and choose the Show Column Chooser option. Here, you can specify another piece of data you would like to have as a column by clicking the tick box, whether that is for sorting or just to have the data displayed in the grid. Lastly, let's walk through how to use the filter editor. You can access the filter editor by right-clicking on a column and selecting Filter Editor. The filter editor allows you to filter the data with the use of logic. For example, if I wanted to only show work orders scheduled after a specific date, I would do that by first clicking the plus icon to add some conditions. Now, I would click on Equipment to switch this condition to Date Scheduled from the drop-down list. Next, I will click on the Is On condition and change that to Is Greater Than. Lastly, I will click on the Enter a Value condition and change the date to February 16th of 2026. The logic I created will now show work orders with a date scheduled that is greater than February 16th, 2026, and nothing else when I click Apply. You can confirm that the work orders are displayed correctly before clicking OK. As you can see, only work orders after February 16th is being displayed, so I will press OK to save my filter. Now, at the bottom of the Work Management tab, you can see the filter I created. You can click this on or off at any time using the tick box. Or you can delete the filter by hovering over the filter and clicking the X. That wraps up this session of AllMax Academy. We hope this walkthrough helped you feel more confident sorting, grouping, and filtering a grid layout in the Antero application. If you have any questions or need further support, don't hesitate to reach out to the AllMax team. Be sure to check out our other training videos for more tips and guidance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next session.